Bonjour, bonjour. Si vous avez cliqué sur cette vidéo, c'est parce que vous êtes très intéressé à faire des affaires ici en Chine. Soit encore vous faites déjà des affaires et vous voulez connaître la vérité. Vous savez, la Chine, c'est la cuisine mondiale. C'est là où on trouve toutes choses, des usines, tout ce que vous voulez faire. Certainement ici en Chine, vous allez les trouver. Et donc, cette chaîne, c'est pour vous épanouir en fait dans vos affaires. Et moi, je suis que... Voilà, votre serviteur en quelque sorte, parce que je suis là pour vous aider à épanouir et surtout à commencer un business et voilà, trouver la vérité dans ça. Donc, je suis là pour t'orienter. Si c'est pour ta première fois, c'est ce que nous faisons ici. Nous ne faisons que parler de business, nous ne faisons que orienter concernant le business. Et je vous conseille de vous abonner pour ne rien manquer. Et si vous n'avez pas encore vu d'autres de mes vidéos, n'hésitez pas à aller cliquer sur le nom Business in China de YouTube ici, vous allez voir toutes les vidéos. Et si vous êtes déjà abonné, je vous remercie. Alors aujourd'hui, nous allons visiter une usine de fabrication. Alors, je vous laisse découvrir parce que je ne vais pas vous dire c'est quelle usine, mais on va aller ensemble, vous allez découvrir. Il y a aussi un client qui a sa marchandise là-bas et nous allons vérifier cela ensemble. Donc, reste jusqu'à la fin pour découvrir cette usine fabrique quoi et vous saurez aussi comment est-ce que ça fonctionne. Peut-être qu'un jour, ça sera aussi ton tour. Nous sommes déjà à la gare, on a acheté déjà le billet pour cette ville-là parce que l'usine ne se trouve pas dans la ville où nous avons notre bureau. Donc la ville à laquelle nous allons visiter, c'est une autre ville, mais c'est pas très loin de chez nous. Donc nous allons tout de suite là, bientôt ils vont charger même. On va prendre le train pour aller dans cette ville ensemble avec vous. Voilà, à tout de suite. Donc voilà, nous sommes déjà dans le train. Le train est déjà de partir. Là, on est en destination de cette ville-là pour aller visiter cette usine. C'est avec vous que ça se passe. Vous voyez comment est-ce que ça se passe. Et j'espère que vous serez aussi le prochain. Parce que c'est très important de visiter la marchandise avant exportation. ici en Chine, parce que lorsque la marchandise quitte la Chine et parfois vous recevez autre chose et parfois le fabricant ne respecte pas ce que vous avez commandé, donc c'est très important de trouver un agent, un cabinet d'affaires que vous allez travailler ensemble afin que vous soyez très rassurés de ce que vous allez recevoir, surtout lorsqu'il s'agit des fabrications des grandes commandes, des machines. C'est toujours important de travailler avec un cabinet d'affaires. Donc voilà, on est déjà dans le train et à tout de suite. Alors là, on vient d'arriver dans la ville. On est sorti du train. Alors on va aller vers la sortie sur la procédure, vu que c'est une autre ville. Il faut montrer le test Covid, il faut aller sur tout le processus. Et puis on se voit à l'extérieur. Voilà, je viens de retrouver l'agent. Je viens de la retrouver, elle est là. Hey, Nira. Hey, Nira.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
You can speak English, yeah?
Yeah, I'm Doris.
Doris.
I'm Maggie's workmate. Maggie is with some health problems, so she cannot arrive here, so
Okay.
I replace him.
No problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about your factory?
Yes, our factory is before we first established in 1997.
Okay.
We first began from the how to say that, domestic market.
Oh, domestic,
for
yeah.
pump and San Jaja.
Okay.
But a long time, about 10 years or something ago, we started for the international business.
trading.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for Congo market, Congo.
Yeah, that's Congo.
Congo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Last month we just sent our sand pump machine with diesel engine. Diesel engine is WeChat brand.
Okay.
And also some high pressure water pump and engine winch or something.
Okay.
Together with pipe, and the client make the sand dredger
Okay.
by himself. We shipped the to Jinbasa. How to say that? Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. We also have a lot of market in Nigeria, Cameroon.
Okay.
That is especially for sand mining, but for Congo, I think that is for diamond or
Diamond.
gold.
Oh,
gold
you also
right?
produce the machine for diamond and gold?
No, but I think the market is especially for
especially for that.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah.
So you just specialize in producing, sand pump, yeah?
Yeah, sand pump, sand dredger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what about water pump?
Water pump is especially for the high pressure.
Okay.
The high pressure means
that's the high
to
pressure.
let the sand bed to loose. Then the sand pump is easily to suction and discharge.
Oh yeah.
That is
yeah.
how to say that. That is to make the sand concentration is more higher than before.
Yeah. That's why. So I just want to understand. When I use like the sand pump, can I also use it for the water pump? Like, does it work together?
Yes, because the pump is a centrifugal pump. So before the sand pump working, the sand pump should be full of water.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, if no self-priming water, the pump cannot working.
Cannot
with
work,
some brick. So first we use the water pump to fill in water pump to working to fill in the sand pump enough the impeller working. Then the sand pump work.
Can start working.
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's great then.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for the little interview. Alors bonjour, vous savez, je viens d'arriver. Ça c'est l'usine. Où est l'usine? C'est Ocean Pump. Dès que je vous ai dit que c'était une surprise, donc l'usine s'appelle Ocean Pump. Ocean Pumps, ils sont spécialisés en fait dans la fabrication des pompes à sable en fait et des pompes à eau aussi. Et donc nous sommes venus ici, c'est pour visiter une commande d'un client Et donc, tel que je vous ai promis, ensemble nous allons le faire. Donc là, je suis arrivé, je vois le laoban. Bon, je vais parler chinois. Eh, ni hao laoban.
Eh, ni hao.
Ah, ah. Au grand temps là.
欢迎欢迎欢迎。
谢谢，谢谢。啊好。
白色是什么呀？
Donc là on rentre là où on produit en fait, on a besoin de porter les casques, c'est très important parce que c'est très professionnel là-bas en fait, voilà pourquoi on l'a porté. Bon, moi j'ai porté le rouge parce que ça c'est la couleur de la Chine, Zhongguo Hong.
这个帽子给那个谁给杨琳的。
Can you tell me what is this place?
This is our example. Example, please. Yeah. This is our cutter suction dredger and a lot of different pump samples. And later we will introduce them one by one. Yeah.
No problem.
Okay.
Yeah. So like, this is like let's say the place where you put all the samples.
Yes. Yes. All the samples.
I see. Great then.
还可以大概的看一下，这个呢是 submersible slurry pump，submersible dredge pump， 就是专门是叫潜水抽沙泵，或者是潜水那个挖泥泵，主要就是在小型的河道矿场、工矿企业抽沙的这种的，因为它下面有一个搅拌叶轮，所以设计呢比较先进，用途范围呢也比较广。
明白。Okay, I'll let you speak in English so that you can understand what he says.
Yeah, that is just a submersible sand dredge pump. That is mainly for the river dredging, for the sand with very fine and very small pond, for the small pond video, river or pond to pump the sand. You can see the pump. There's on the top that is motor. The bottom that is impeller. So when you're working, just use the pump to drive it. The pump is driven by the genset, so that is very easily to use. And the people in Cameroon, people prefer it.
They use this one.
Yeah, and also Malaysia. Yeah.
Malaysia.
Yeah.
So I see it's like a different size.
Different size with different models.
Oh, different models.
Yeah.
But these are like the same models but different sizes.
Yes, correct.
So what about this one, the blue one?
This one is maybe you can see that. This is vertical sand pump.
Oh, vertical.
Vertical, yeah.
做鱼塘清淤和一些旱地的取沙的工作。
This place is just with a motor.
I use the motor.
Motor, yeah, just some the fish pond.
Yeah.
Just dredge in the fish pond, and also for the if you wanted to remove the dry sand from the ground to another place, just use this kind of pump. Yeah, high efficiency.
Yeah, I see. That's great then. Okay, let's keep on then.
High pressure water pump. Most for the high pressure to let the sand beds loose, and the other use is for the irrigation for the farmland, and also for the industry freshwater use. Yeah.
I see.
Just for water supply.
This for water then.
Yeah, for water.
Yeah. So I see the other one. Is it also kind of machine? This one?
We call that is a side cutter or side agitator.
Side agitator.
Yeah, you can see that pump. At the bottom of the submersible dredge pump, there's a two side cutter. That is when the sand bed is with some clay or some very hard, the pump cannot suction. So use the side cutter to rotation to make the clay to break, or then the break and the sand will go to at the bottom of the sand pump. So from the pump from the bottom, we will go and throw from the pump outlet. Yes. Yeah.
So this is a side cutter. Side agitator.
Yeah.
Is it the same machine?
Yes. Yes.
The same machine can use.
Yeah,
side cutter,
because
side
different client with different names.
Different names.
Yeah,
Oh,
side
okay.
cutter and side agitator.
Oh, it's just the names then.
We call that is a portable sand pump. That is a horizontal pump from the pump inlet then outlet. Yeah. Of course, you need to connect with some rubber hose discharge pipe. Yeah, the client is prefer this kind of pump. Yeah, this is a 4-inch. Client prefers 6-inch, a little bigger.
A little bigger than this one. Yeah.
All of them, we call that the sand dredge pump. Most for the cutter suction dredger or jet suction dredger. If the dredge depth is about 15 meters or discharge about 500 or more than 500, we suggest the client to use this kind of pump because the flow capacity is higher, so the sand capacity is higher.
Sure.
Yeah, the people can earn more. They'll use this kind of pump.
Yeah.
This kind of pump normally used for the cutter suction dredger. This kind of we call it cutter suction dredger. Yeah. So you can say they're powerful. The pump is very big. Of course, this is not the biggest one.
Yeah, he said that. Yeah. He said this is not the biggest one. The biggest is like 2 meters.
Yeah, they're very big.
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
We call that the slurry pump. Yeah. This is mainly for the industry mining.
That's for industry.
And also sometimes this pump with the very high pump head. Normally we can also use this as a dredge booster pump. Dredge booster pump, maybe that means if one pump cannot discharge to the destination, say we use another pump with the same flow capacity, and then it will go to arrive the destination.
I see.
Okay.
I see. That's super good. Yeah. These are all the same.
Yes.
So yeah, these are the motors. Yeah.
This is the client order. This is the client order, but they do not make a delivery. So just in our workshop. Yeah.
Okay. These are the motor.
Yeah. These are engine.
The engine.
Yeah. These are engine.
这个机器就是那个客户寻的那种，寻的那一台，就是和那个泵是一样的。
他那个客户已经付钱了吗？
没有，这不是等你吗
？This is another thing.
Hydraulic cutter suction dredger. Okay. Normally, the main use is dredging the sand with clay. And also in China, we also have another uses for land reclamation. Yeah. And you can see the cutter head is driven by the hydraulic. Hydraulic is at the engine cabin, not here. And also the whole dredge is with different winches in another side. The dredge depth maximum for 15 meters.
15 meters.
Yeah.
That's what it said.
Yeah, we have a lot of models.
Okay.
Yeah, can make that according client request. This part for the material.
Yeah.
Later we will test. We use the instrument to test the material, the hardness.
Oh.
Because for the sand that is very sharp, so the material is a very important thing for the sand pump. And normally we use a high chrome alloy that is hard and also with a lot of chloride. So later we will use to test.
一会儿技术拿那个测试仪过来测试一下，到时候也拍一下这个视频。
可以。
Pay more attention for the material, especially for the overflow part. The overflow part including the impeller, the pump case. The impeller is also rotation. The pump case is when the sand pump out, they will go through from the pump case go out.
Sure.
Yeah. So later let us see.
Sure.
一个美国产的材质检测仪器。
对，
然后
英文的也可以用英文的是吧？
对，也可以用英文的。对，它会最终会显示一些这个铸件的那个材质，但是我可以打一下，咱看一下，就里边包含什么。这里边其实中英文是一样的。
So this machine, I mean, what are they doing now?
They are testing the material.
Okay.
And the machine is made in America. That is meant for testing the material.
Okay.
Here you can see there is a lot of material. The specification, including the chloride,
锰含量、铁含量、镍含量、
iron.
对。包括一些很多的细。
But also, you can see that there's a lot of detailed.
The detail about the material.
Yeah, percent.
Oh, this is good. So this one also, do you produce this one?
No, this is made in America.
Okay. That's the
一个东西那个接近20万人民币。
哦，是吧？
Yeah.
那么贵啊？
对。
哦，那如果有客户也需要，那
我们帮他买。
啊，你们可以帮他买。
对。
vous pouvez les aider. Donc, 他们可以啊 they can help you to buy this one.
Yes.
That's what they say. Oh. So what are they going to use then?
Yeah, this machine is for the hardness meter.
hardness.
Yeah, to test the hard. Because for the material, if that is hard, then it can more better for the wear resistant.
Okay.
You can see the result.
Okay, 65.
65, yeah.
HR. So what does it mean?
That is 这个代表是什么？
就是理式硬度 HRC 65.1，对这个数。
这个代表什么？
这个硬度高，因为它的上限就是70。
哦。
当然也不能太高了。
对对对。
对，你像我再打一个铸铁的，你看对比一下就行，因为这个你看65.1哈。
对对对。
现在这边有3台泵在组装。
哦，对。
可以看一下。我们的工人很害羞的。
对。好，那现在
咱要不去那个这个加工这边需要？
也可以去看看，去看看那个。
This is an impeller for the fine processing. Yeah. For the connection and also for the whole balance. When the impeller working for the they need to keep the motive balance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Keep the balance.
Yeah.
I mean, this place is like this is where you produce everything from the start to the end, or it's just one part of the production.
Just one part, because we also for the cast area is not here.
It's not here.
Because this is in the city.
Okay.
Government not allowed it, so we just put this to out of the city.
Oh yeah, I see. So there's another factory.
Yes.
That's far from the city because of the pollution.
Yeah.
The government policies.
Yeah, you know that.
I know about that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now we go to another one.
It's a set of water pump set.
Okay.
It is used for to pour the cable line under the sea.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is for water pump, right?
Yes. It
Not
is.
sand pump.
It's a water pump.
That's water pump.
Multi-stage water pump driven by diesel engine.
Okay.
Yes.
So we cannot see that very well. Is it combined with this one?
Yeah, it is a container.
Oh, that's the container.
Yes.
Okay.
We fix it and fix it in its container.
Okay.
It is customized.
Oh yeah, that's customized.
Yeah.
So this is like for one customer, or this is just a sample?
It's for customer.
This is for customer.
Yeah.
Okay. Great.
This is for our domestic client.
Domestic clients.
Yeah, which is for filling the cable under the sea.
I see.
So you need the high pressure.
Yeah.
Water jet down.
This is industrial. That's for big companies.
Yes. This should be hauled with a container directly on the deck of the vessel.
Wow.
Yeah. We also need some protection for this.
For this one.
Yeah.
So it comes together with the container like this.
Yes.
This is a 20 feet container, I think.
Yes. 20 feet.
Yes.
2套。
Yeah, 2套。
切进京啊。
This is for
two-side sun dredge pump dredger.
Yeah.
It is well sent to the Philippines.
For Philippines.
Yes.
This for customer?
Yes.
Is this all customized? Yeah. Is it customized?
Yeah, yes, it is also customized.
Okay.
And the pump is 55 kilowatt.
Wow.
Yeah, and the capacity is 多少
40的一个位。
流量
流量300。
300 cubic meter per hour.
Wow.
And the pump the dredger could be put into a 40 feet container. Yeah.
This can put in 40 feet container?
我到时候因为你看所有的连接件呢都是4连接，到时候我会把它拆开。
With bolts and nuts, so we will put it
in piece.
Yes, piece and thing.
Oh, not like this.
对，这样肯定推不进去。
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I see. That's very good.
The sea freight is very high. We need to use all the space in the container.
Yeah. But how many tons in total?
How many tons?
Yeah.
那个20吨左右。
20 tons.
Yeah.
20 tons.
Yes.
Yeah, it's okay.
对。
So the question is, like, what if the customer order and then maybe after sale, like if they have a problem, how to fix that? Can they still contact you for the small, the accessories, or if you can also train them, like if they can come to China, so you can train them how to fix,
Yes.
or you can also take someone to get to that country.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me reply you one by one. Okay, this is a long question.
Sure.
Okay, first you can see before delivery, we need to confirm everything is okay. So you can see we have prepared now for the test machine before the delivery.
Sure.
That is the important thing. Yeah. First, and then we will make some record of, and also make the manual for how to maintain this, how to do that. And for the after sales service, when the goods arrived, we will tell the client to make how to assemble it, how to make the winding and the keyboard connection for that. And if the client with some problem, the feedback will in the control box. There's a screen, so they can show us what has happened. We will use phone or videos, or WhatsApp videos, or Zoom to tell them how to do that.
How to fix them.
Yeah, because in this epidemic times, so we cannot send our engineer go there.
Okay.
So we can just use online technician support for that.
Online way to fix them.
Yes.
At least it works.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool then. I think that was all my questions. Okay. Donc ils disent que ça c'est l'exemplaire. Maintenant, si tu as besoin de ça aussi, tu pourras prendre. Mais si tu as besoin du new, ils pourront se faire du new. 如果需要新的，你们也可以做。
我们也可以做，而且时间很快。
时间很快。对。你说的是15天。
对，15天肯定能发货。
Donc si je voudrais le new, il peut fabriquer en 15 jours. Ça c'est juste l'exemple.
This is a sand suction pump driven by electric motor.
Electric motor.
Yes.
Okay.
450天吧。
The kilowatt is 450 kilowatts.
450 kilowatts.
Yes, and the outlet of the pump is 14 inch.
40 inch.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's a big one. This is like a smaller one.
What?
This one.
This is a small electric motor.
Yeah, that's a small one.
这个不是，
这个不是。
这不是我们产品，这是真空泵，这是别的客户弄过来让我们给他发走。
那个橡胶管和滴管。This is two kind of hose. You can see this one. This one with that is a rubber hose. Rubber hose with two kind. One is for suction hose, another for discharge hose. Yeah. Suction hose with steel aligned. So even suction, without become very thin. And discharge is no need. And this is a discharge pipe. We use a HDPE pipe. That is very light, can easily to make a move. And they also important that is very wear resistant. And each side we use flanges to make connection.
I see. Yeah, that's very good, I think.
Yeah.
This one also you can customize it, yeah? I mean for the size, like how long?
Yeah, normally we have two kind of size. One is for the length for 5.8 meters for 20 feet.
Okay.
Another is for 11.5 meters for 40 feet container.
For 40 feet.
Yeah, we have different size from 4 inch to 20 inch.
20 inch.
Yeah.
It's too hot here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you started international trade at 2012, but you started to work in the domestic market from
1987。
1987. Oh, 1987. Like 1987.
Yeah.
Wow, it's been a long time. So this factory is older than me. That's why.
哦，你们俩还同岁呢。
是吧？89的。
是的。
89的。
我是4月的。
属什么？属
8月。啊，我大。
哦，属蛇。
属蛇，嗯。
啊，属蛇。
我大，我是4月的。
属什么的？
他
们不是。
我是4月的。
4月的。
我应该是我比大的我哥。
Older brother.
Older brother. For maybe 6 months or. 到现在打电话。你和你的朋友都可以进。我。我。Thank you very much. Like you said, thank you.
Hello.
我是 no， 谢谢。